2025. Modern home trends, rustic elements, bold black accents, cozy interiors, and luxe furniture. Transforming your small home into a modern rustic sanctuary blends contemporary flair with earthy charm, creating an inviting and stylish retreat. By merging sleek modern elements with warm rustic textures, you achieve a balanced atmosphere that embodies both sophistication and comfort. These components work together to craft a space that is not only aesthetically pleasing but also deeply personal. Focal decor pieces play a vital role in this transformation. Statement lighting fixtures can bridge the gap between modern sophistication and rustic allure, casting warm, ambient light while serving as striking visual points. Artisanal woodwork infuses the space with authenticity, adding layers of character and history. High-quality textiles, such as plush throws or intricately woven rugs, contribute to the cozy atmosphere, while their textures juxtapose beautifully against smooth surfaces and minimalist designs. Incorporating bold black accents is key to grounding the design and adding visual interest. Whether through black-framed mirrors that enhance the sense of space or matte black hardware that provides a modern edge, these elements ensure the decor feels intentional and cohesive. Minimalist shelving and carefully selected accessories contribute to a curated feel, allowing personal style to shine through while maintaining practicality in small spaces. Choosing the right decor elements is crucial for creating a warm yet refined home. Plush throws and layered rugs offer layers of comfort, inviting relaxation and leisure. Vintage-inspired accessories can infuse nostalgia and warmth, blending seamlessly with Luxe furniture that showcases refined craftsmanship. This mix of old and new, rustic and modern, results in a unique blend that feels both timeless and current. The essence of modern rustic home decor lies in its ability to harmonize contemporary elegance with timeless comfort. By selecting curated decor that reflects your personal style, you allow your small space to shine. This approach works well whether you're renovating a living room, bedroom, or dining area. High contrast accents paired with cozy details foster an ambience that is both elegant and welcoming. The ultimate outcome of this design approach is a small living space that feels open and inviting, exuding warmth and sophistication. It's a sanctuary built for daily relaxation and cherished for special moments. Every corner of the home becomes a testament to modern rustic charm, where the chic simplicity of the modern meets the heartwarming allure of the rustic. This decor style invites you to experience your home as a space of comfort, style, and personal expression, making it a place you are proud to call your own.